Hi, it's Shandy Autry. Great things are happening in the 1 Minute Kitchen. It's a main meal salad that defies boredom. It's a beautiful, bountiful trifle salad. And this one comes with its own cherry tomato ladybugs. Here's what you'll need. A trifle bowl, large or smaller ones for individual servings. Tortellini pasta, cherry tomatoes, small mozzarella balls called ciliegini, some kalamata olives, marinated artichokes, and roasted red peppers. Also some chopped salad, fresh basil, thin sliced prosciutto, and a baguette for crostini. Once you have all of your ingredients prepped, it's entirely up to you as to how to assemble. You could start with chopped salad, then make a ring of cherry tomatoes and mozzarella balls. Next, a row of colorful cooked tortellini, then fill in the center with more pasta. How about some steamed broccoli and roasted red peppers? And if you like, add artichoke hearts and kalamata olives. Hard-boiled eggs are always great with pasta salad, then tomatoes and basil on top. And finally, prosciutto roses. Just take a thin slice and twist. The perfect topping to your trifle salad. Drizzle your large or mini salads with your favorite Italian dressing. And don't forget to slice the cherry tomatoes and dot with balsamic vinegar for the cute little ladybugs. Salad, make it fun again for dinner tonight. Have fun in the kitchen, 1 minute at a time. 1 Minute Kitchen proudly presented by these sponsors.